Hi, welcome to Diamond Custom Paint Shop. I'm going to be doing a little series of videos painting this Indian Sportster motorcycle parts. What we have is we have tank covers, gas tank covers, which there's two sides to it, and then a front fender. What the customer wants on this project, he wants the like the old Mustang airplane bomber, where it's going to have the metal panels with the shark face on it. So it's going to be pretty cool. But today we're going to do a video showing how to do metal panels with, it'll have separate metal panels. So we have it painted black right now, and we're going to go ahead and use some fine line tape to tape out where the lines of the metal panels are going to go. So we'll tape out where the black will go. And then once we tape that out, we're going to spray silver over that for the silver, and then we'll go back and do a little bit of airbrush work over the lines, kind of make them look a little more realistic. So, and then after that, we'll go ahead and I'll use this stencil. It's a circle stencil to do some realistic kind of rivets, a semi-realistic rivet. So, and we're going to be using an airbrush to do that. So, like I said, the paint we're going to use is Limelight silver base coat for this step. Right here I have Limeline's new base coat in a rattle can or spray can. This isn't out yet, so I'm doing some kind of review and test on this now for Adam Paul over at Limelight. We'll see how it sprays out. We're using this. This is kind of a smaller project, so we're going to give it a try. This will be awesome for a lot of people. But I'm going to do a separate video just on the new Limelight spray cans that are coming out very shortly. So, but it's the same, just to give you the idea, it's the same thing. This is the clear, or I mean, not clear, but this is base coat silver. It said clear on the side, but it's not. It's this is base coat silver. It's the same thing that's in this can. I actually watched him do it. Goes into this can, and you can spray it out. So it's pretty awesome. So that being said, stay tuned for the video where I go into depth on these cans, coming really soon, probably next week. So, all right, well, let's get to it. I'll cut away and I'll do some videos of me taping this off, and we'll spray the silver and go from there. So stay tuned. Okay, well, there's how you do metal panels. Pretty easy. Just to kind of recap on what we did, we sprayed the black first, started with a black base coat, and then we taped off where we wanted our panel edges to be, and then we went ahead and sprayed the silver over that. And then while we still had it taped off, you could unmask it at that point, but I just, one less step. I just got some bigger tape so I wouldn't get overspray on this side of of the edges there, and just kind of, you know, faded some more edge on those lines there to give you that effect. You can kind of do it on both sides if you want. So you would just follow down the line straight down center, you know, holding your airbrush right over top of it. It would fade out both sides, which I may still do that. I kind of like this effect where it's just one edge too. So yeah, then there's different ways you can do this metal effect. You can do it so it looks brushed, which I like to do, which I've done in the past. And how you would do that is you still do the same way, but then you would spray your silver on real wet, and you would have just like a paintbrush handy with you real quick. And so while that is still wet, you'd swipe down in some strokes to give you that brushed look on the metal. So yeah, so there's still a lot more to come on this project. So stay tuned for that, especially with doing more on the metal. We're going to be doing some rivets, and then we're going to be doing some raised lettering on this. Well, it's going to look like it's kind of stamped, raised out of the metal here. And so yeah, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions or comments on what we've done in this video, just go down and leave them in the comments section. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one, where we're going to, probably the next one will be doing the lettering. So I'll see you on the next one.